Again, good morning, grade 6. Our lesson for this day is about the order of operations, and later on, we will going to discuss another new lesson. So open your book on page 180. Again, 180. I will share my whiteboard. Ayan, nakikita na? Nakikita na? Raf, nakikita na? Okay. So, the order of operations. Ano ba yung mga operations natin na ginagamit sa math? We have addition,
Addition,
subtraction,
subtraction, multiplication,
Multiplication,
division.
division.
Very good. So, paano kaya kapag nasa iisang ano sila? Nasa iisang expression sila. So, ano kaya yung uunahin natin? Meron tayong ginagamit na rules dito which is the GEMDAS or last year naturo ko sa inyo is yung minsan PEMDAS. Ayan. So, GEMDAS means yung G stands for ayan. G stands for
Moving.
grouping. Very good.
Grouping.
Next, we have E. E stands for
Exponential.
exponential or yung sa exponent. And M, tsaka yung D, equivalent.
Multiplication.
Ayan. So yung M and G,
Multiplication, division.
very good. Etong dalawa, it's either multiplication yung mauna or division yung mauna. Basta depende sa dalawa kung alin ang mauuna. So we have multiplication and yung isa is division. And next one, itong dalawa din is pwede rin silang kung mauna man yung addition or yung subtraction, okay lang din. So we have A and S. Tandaan, yung multiplication or division, okay lang na mauna yung division kay multiplication. And yung addition and subtraction, okay lang mauna yung subtraction kay addition. Basta tandaan nyo yung pagkakasunod-sunod nila. Okay? Ayan. Yan yung meaning ng GEMDAS. We have the grouping. Ano ba yung mga grouping symbols? Meron tayong mga bracket, mga parentheses, and so on. And we have E exponential. Nasaan ba nakalagay yung exponent? Nasa taas ng base. Diba? Yung upper right. And we have MD, multiplication or division. Dito, kapag naka-arrange sila na una si division, okay lang na unahin mo si division kaysa kay multiplication. Basta kung ano yung mauunang makikita mo from left to right. And addition and subtraction, ganun din, same rules sa multiplication and division. So we have here, example, yung simplify each expression. We have, wait, change ko lang yung color. Ayan, we have here 9 plus 2 times 7 minus 4. So, sa tingin nyo, paano kaya natin to isosolve based dun sa mga sinabi ko? Anong gagawin? Based on our rule.
Multiplication.
Yes. Tignan nyo kasi yung mga operation. We have addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So, based dito sa binigay kong anong to, rules, yung grouping, wala naman tayong grouping symbol. Exponential, wala naman. And multiplication, meron siya. So, mauuna si multiplication. Ano yung minumultiply natin? Etong dalawa. We have 2 times 7. And what is the answer? 14. Very good.
14.
Yes. And i-copy mo lang yung
14.
mga hindi mo ginawa. Ito, yung we have 9 plus, tapos yung answer dito sa 2 times 7, and minus 4. So we have here 2 operation. We have addition and subtraction. And based dito sa rule, addition and subtraction are equal. And pwedeng mauna, it's either addition or subtraction. Pero dapat mauuna yung kung ano yung naunang
Addition.
operation. So we have addition. And 9 plus 14, that is? Oh, sige. Ilan?
23.
Very good. We have 23.
23.
And copy itong minus 4. And since isa na lang ang operation natin, isolve na natin ito. 23 minus 4, that is 19. So the final answer is 19. Okay, naintindihan ba yung yung explanation? Another one. Very good. Another example, we have 18 divided by, yung divided by, ganito na lang yung symbol ko, okay? Kasi wala tayong dito sa And 3 times 2 plus pa-mute Alexa. Ayan. So we have 18 divided by 3 times 2 plus 4. So will you give me what are the operations? We have
Yung una po yung division.
division, multiplication, and
Division.
addition.
Multiplication,
So,
addition.
Yes. So, mapapansin nyo, si multiplication and division equal, pero nauna dito sa ating arrangement is si division. Okay lang ba naunahin natin si division?
Opo.
Okay lang. Kasi sabi ko nga kung ano yung mauuna. So,
Opo.
18 divided by 3 ilan?
6.
6. Very good. And copy times 2. Don't forget. Plus 4.
Plus
So,
4.
meron na lang tayong dalawang operation. Yung multiplication and addition. Ano kaya ang uunahin natin?
Multiplication po.
Multiplication. So, 6 times 2. That is
12.
12. Very good. And then copy plus 4. So, we have now one operation that is addition. And 12 plus 4, that is
16.
16. So, this is the final answer.
16.
16 is the final answer. Naintindihan?
Opo.
Another example, we have 32 minus 8 plus 4 times 2. And ano ulit yung mga operations natin? Sige nga, Carlin. Ano yung mga operations natin dito, nak? Carlin, are you still there? Ano yung mga sign, natin dito? Yung mga nandito sa ating rule. Carlin. Carlin, narinig mo si teacher?
Opo.
Ano yung mga operation natin dito? Banggitin mo, nak. Ano to? Ito ay saan to? Di ba minus yan? And it's subtraction. How about this one? Plus or addition. And this one? Times or multiplication. Very good. And Raf, ano ang uunahin natin sa kanilang tatlo?
Multiplication po.
Very good. And Carlin, 4 times 2? Carlin, 4 times 2? 8. Very good. And copy lang natin itong hindi natin sinolve. We have 32 minus 8 plus itong sagot sa 4 times 2. Next, Margaret, ano ang susunod nating isosolve? It's ano ba? Subtraction ba? Or addition?
Addition.
Addition. Dito nak, dito sa rule, kahit na mauuna si addition, kung equal lang naman yung addition and subtraction, kahit ano kasing mauna sa kanila, okay lang. So, mauuna dito sa subtraction since pareho sila. Hindi lang dapat yung iba ha. Dapat ito lang yung yung inarrow kong yan. So, mauuna si Margaret. Mauna si
Subtraction.
very good. And 32 minus 8, anak. 32, magtanggal ng 8. Ilan?
24.
24. And copy plus 8. So, 24 plus 8,
32.
32.
32.
Okay? So, 32 is the final answer. Number 4 example, we have 25 minus 3. Yung exponent ko, ganito na lang yung symbol. Ayan. 3 raised to 2 plus 7. So, exponent itong 2 ha. Meron tayo dito, subtraction, exponential, and addition. Ano kaya yung mauuna?
Yung exponential po.
Exponential kasi based dito sa ating rule. So, di ba tinuruan ko na kayo kung paano mag-solve? Nung last meeting na discussion natin is exponential terms. So, dito niyan, we have 3 raised to 2. Ang exponent, siya ang nagsasabi kung ilang beses natin i-multiply itong si base, which is 3.
9.
So, that is 9 kasi 3 times 3. And copy this one. 25 minus, and the answer in 3 raised to 2 plus 7. So,
7.
Tony, will you give me the answer? 25 minus 9 plus 7. So, una si subtraction and then add.
Okay po.
Sige.
25 minus 9 is 16.
Very
16 po
good.
ba?
Yes.
And
Then plus
16
7.
plus 7. It is 23 po.
Very good. So, the final answer is 23. Number 5 example, we have 6
Paano po
times
ulit yung
4.
exponential?
Yung last meeting na discussion natin na, di ba? 3 squared. So, ibig sabihin, 3 times 3. Kaya ang sagot ay 9. Okay? Okay na, Mervy?
Opo.
So, number 5 example, we have 6 times 4 divided by 3 plus 12. So, dito, meron tayong multiplication, division, and addition. And Mervy, ano kaya ang uunahin natin sa kanilang tatlo? It's multiplication, division,
Multiplication po.
addition. And 6 times 4, Mervy, ito yung uunahin natin. Sige, solve mo muna, Mervy. Plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Apat na po.
26.
20. Sumobra ng dalawa.
24.
24. And divided by
3.
3 plus 12. And anong unahin sa division and addition?
Division po.
Division. So 23 divided by 3, ay 24 divided by 3, I mean. Ilang 3 magagawa? So 24. Ilan? Anyone?
8 po.
8. Very good. And plus 12. 8 plus 12, Alexa?
28.
Yes.
20.
Hindi, okay lang. So, the final answer is 20. Last one, we have 5 raised to 3. Ay, 5 raised to 3 minus 64
64.
plus 25.
25.
Ayan. So, dito, meron tayong exponential terms, meron tayong subtraction and addition. So, Alexa, ano ang uunahin?
Yung pong exponential.
Exponential. And 5 raised to 3, that is 5 times 5 times 5. Kasi ang
25.
exponent is 3. So, 3 times yan. So, 5 times 5, that is
25.
25. Another one, 25 times 5, that is
100.
solve natin. 5 times 5, that is 25. Carry 2. And 5 times 2, that is 10. Plus 2, that is 12. So, the answer is 125. And minus 64 plus 25. Kung papansin niyo, meron tayong subtraction and addition. Kahit na nauuna si addition dito sa ating arrangement ng GEMDAS, kaysa kay subtraction, kahit nauna si addition, unahin natin si subtraction. Bakit? Kasi nga, ayan, it's either addition or subtraction, basta kung anong mauna, from left, papunta sa right. Okay? Since nauna si subtraction, mauna natin i-subtract. Yan. So, 125 minus 64. We have 5 minus
101.
4. 1. We have 125 minus 64. So, 5 minus 4, that is 1. And 12 minus 6, that is 6. So, the answer is 61. Plus 25. So, 61, add natin si 25. And 5 plus 1, that is 6. And 6 plus 2, that is 8. So, the final answer is 80, 86. May
86.
nagno-notification kaya. Ayan. So, the final
Teacher,
answer
akala
is,
ko po, teacher,
yes.
akala ko po yung ano, yung 64-14, kaya po nasabi kong 101.
That's okay. And, ganyan lang yung sa ating the order of operations. Tandaan nyo lang kung ano yung uunahin. First is grouping, second is exponential, and third, depende kung multiplication or division. And last, depende din kung addition ba or subtraction. Basta yung arrangement from left to right. Okay? Okay na ba? Any question about this? May question para makapag-proceed na tayo sa next discussion or next topic? Wala na. So, I will stop the recording para at least hati-hati din yung pag-upload ng ating mga video. Okay? Wait lang.